Steam Bake Air Fry Combination Oven. CQ770. All-round professional results. No expert skills required. Craft chef grade cuisine with absolute ease. Steaming preserves ingredients' innate nutrition and pristine freshness. CQ770 equips 2 exclusive steam modes precisely engineered for distinct cooking goals. Featured with gentle steam and wide temperature, versatile for all foods. 302 degrees Fahrenheit. High temp steam cooks quicker than boiling, locks in nutrients. You can adjust time and temperature freely for any food. Turbo steam mode pumps abundant steam rapidly. Perfect for staples and hearty meals for fluffy, well-cooked results. It also makes smooth, chewy rice noodle rolls perfectly. CQ770 boasts pro-grade baking hardware, dual top and bottom heaters, dual fans and heating elements, 360 degrees full cavity hot air for flawlessly, even baking every time. Equipped with 2 professional accessories, temperature probe and rotating grill, it delivers restaurant-grade roasting results right at home. Install the probe on the appliance and fully insert its tip into the food. The device will activate automatically to monitor internal temperature in real time for precise cooking. The CQ770 is equipped with 6 professional baking modes. Bake, ideal for pizza, chicken wings, toast, and more. Convection, perfect for cookies, egg tarts, and multi-tray cakes. Broil, great for steak, skewers, and grilled shrimp. Roast with steam, suitable for sori, salmon, pork belly, potatoes, and similar ingredients. Fan broil, designed for whole poultry cooking. 536 degrees Fahrenheit, ultra-high temperature gratin mode. Ideal for quick browning or melting surface cheese, perfect for baked oysters, baked shrimp, cheesy pasta, and more. Secure the chicken onto the rotisserie spit. Install the rotisserie assembly on the shelf bracket and fasten both ends firmly. Select your preferred baking mode, set temperature to 302 degrees Fahrenheit and cooking time to 50 minutes. Tap the rotisserie button and press Start to activate rotisserie cooking. Want crispy bites with zero greasy aftertaste? CQ770's dual fry modes. Craft tasty, low-fat snacks effortlessly. Air fry works great for French fries, Creole wings, lamb chops. Consistent hot air melts away extra fat for healthy, worry-free bites. Place it into the cavity. Select the air fry button and start to cook. When cooking is complete, enjoy crisp, golden wings that are low in fat, wholesome, and full of flavor. Steam fry is perfect for all breaded ingredients such as crispy pork, chicken nuggets, and crispy chicken wings. Steam combines with hot air to deliver perfect, crispy outside and juicy inside. Place it into the cavity. Select the steam fry button and start the program. When cooking finishes, you'll get perfectly crisp wings bursting with juicy goodness. Love hearty soups and stews? Don't skip this part. With the enamel pot, the brand new stew mode delivers consistent low heat to lock in natural nutrients. No more hovering by the stovetop while simmering. Beef brisket cooks down ultra tender with rich savory notes, while tremella soup develops a creamy, mellow, sweet consistency. For complicated homemade recipes, use the multi-stage cooking mode. No need to adjust settings halfway. The CQ770 handles the whole process automatically. First, steam to soften sweet potatoes thoroughly. Second, low temp convection to slowly removes excess moisture. Third, air fry to tightens texture and seals in natural sweetness. Set all parameters and start with one click. 83 preset recipes cover steam, bake, fry, stew, and gratin. Tap recipe button, scroll to pick dishes, one press to start. The CQ770 features 7 auxiliary functions: fermentation, defrost, keep warm, clean, dry, sterilize, descaling, short press extra delay button. Select the mode and it's ready to use for daily cooking and appliance maintenance. Select Program 07 for descaling. For the first cycle, add 30 grams descaling agent and warm water up to the max level. Dissolve and start. The screen shows 1 while running. When finished, it automatically enters the second stage with 2 add water displayed. Drain dirty water, refill with clean water, and restart rinsing. Repeat the same step for the third stage. The unit will power off automatically once descaling is complete. Add water properly before using the steam function. First, take out the water tank and check for stains or odors. Clean it if needed. Fill with room temperature clean water. Do not exceed the max water level and never pour boiling water to avoid danger. Slide the tank fully into place until you hear a beep confirming proper installation. The CQ770 is designed with premium easy clean features. The exterior glass adopts a nano stain resistant coating, repelling water and oil without leaving stubborn marks. The inner cavity uses high temperature fired enamel liner, scratch resistant, heat resistant, and anti-yellowing. Simply wipe daily to keep it brand new. Always power off and let the oven cool before cleaning. Wipe the cavity and glass door with neutral detergent. Do not use steel wool. Wipe dry after cleaning and keep the inner cavity dry.